Hello, my name is Izukimaru. This is Origami Academy. Today, I'm going to make envelope with a leaf. So like this envelope. It's cute, right? Let's get started. But first of all, this is not square origami. You can cut this part. You can make this size. First of all, I'm going to fold like this. After this, you can fold here. Then I'm gonna fold this all over this line. Okay, like this. After that, I'm going to fold this to this. Make sure this line and this line comes together. Okay, once you fold this, you open, you turn over, and you can fold this side. There is a line, so you can make it together. Fold like this. Okay. After you fold this, you can fold this until the center of the triangle, no, center of the square. Make a triangle. After that, you can fold half. Then you can fold it to another half. You can fold it to another half. Okay, this is gonna be the leaf part of the envelope, so it's really important actually. So you're gonna open this. There is a line. So you can fold this, following with this line. Okay. It's not obvious, but there is a line. You can fold. Done. So this way, you put it. This. You fold this side. These are lines, so you fold this. You can fold this like this, but when you fold this, make sure the leaf part is outside, so you can fold this leaf part together. And then like this, you can fold. So after that, you can fold this square to this. And fold like this. It's done. If you wanna put anything to put here, like a seal, it's fine. But I'm gonna use the glue this time. So I'm gonna put like this. I'm gonna put glue like here. Here we go. This is the leaf envelope. I think the most difficult part of this craft is definitely the leaf part. It's not super difficult, but it's difficult, so you can use like this kind of maybe stick or something. Make sure this has this fold forms. But other than that, it's simple, so I hope you guys can try this. Have a nice origami life. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And share this video with your friend and give me a comment what origami you want to see in my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your origami life.